Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to verify wallet in Lazada. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Lazada app, and once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on your account section on the bottom right hand side of the corner. By doing this, you will be redirected to this interface. So now all you gotta do is simply scroll down below this interface. So once you scroll down below, you can find an option called My Lazada Wallet. So all you need to do now is simply tap on it, and after you do this, you will be redirected to this page. Simply in the activate button, which is on the top of the corner, tap on it and you will now have this kind of page in your screen. So to verify your wallet, all you need to do now is enter your phone number and a code will be sent to your number. So simply type in the code and tap on activate wallet. So by doing this, you can simply verify your wallet in Lazada. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.